back. I'm chilling on the west side. Oh, call my homegirl, tell your best friend. Decide to on the low.
Hey, it's Riz and welcome back to my channel. I want to thank everyone who commented and expressed interest in my channel. Today's video is another quick video, but in this video I will share some tips and tricks with using Polygel. The first tip I would like to share is to invest in a mini fridge. If you have worked with Polygel before, I know we all can agree at times it can be extremely runny. What I have noticed, when the environment is cooled or cool, the Polygel is cold, it is a lot more firm. This one helped me be able to do application hand by hand instead of finger by finger, which helps with how long application time takes. Also, when the Polygel is firm, it is a lot easier to form an apex. Try to place your Polygel in a cold environment 10 to 15 minutes before application. Not too long, because when the Polygel is too cold, it can be hard to work with and also affect how well the layer cures. How well the Polygel cures will affect how long retention will be. So my next tip would be to invest in a good UV lamp. Good UV lamp equals strong nails, and strong nails equal good retention, even though this is not the only factor that influences retention time. Also, make sure that your client is placing their hands in correctly, allowing each layer to cure completely. I would recommend to work with thin layers to make sure they cure completely. Do not apply too much Polygel at once. When you speak, all I can hear is silence. Turn it back from all the pain and violence. Big tunes, now it's big tunes. I'm really right now from the side now. Come on then, fall down when you see me. You know that I was there for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you, for you. I will wait for you. I will wait for you. Sadly, I have learned the hard way that uncured gel does not feel good on your skin. Uncured gel can cause allergic reaction. So my next tip is to wear gloves. As nail techs who offer services, we should always aim to wear gloves, especially working with harmful products. Removing Polygel can be such a headache, but it can be removed and removed safely. Here's a tip to removing Polygel. First, you want to file off most of the Polygel without filing too deep. Try to avoid your client's nails. Next, place each finger in 100% acetone. If you have applied base coat during nail prep, the set should be able to soak off. Have them in acetone for a good 10 to 15 minutes. Thank you so much for getting to the end of this video. Make sure that you subscribe and comment and like the video and share with anybody you think would benefit from watching this video. And also, please check out my Instagram, Slay by Riz, and my TikTok, Slay by Riz. And if you guys have any more questions, please comment below. And I look forward to teaching you guys more about Polygel.